put some glue in there. Take your rope, stick it down in that hole, just like that. And then now I'm going to take my glasses off for this. Then all you're going to do is put you a bead of glue and start wrapping. Now this part, I do hold this for a second, because when you start wrapping, you don't want that center to move. Okay, and then you just start gluing. You don't want a lot of glue, but you do need glue to hold it. Now it can go pretty quickly. I can make a center in usually 5 to 7 minutes, but I've got my technique down, so it goes pretty quickly for me. Every once in a while, I just stop, hold it in place, let that glue sit. Now you don't want so much glue that it comes out the sides, but you need enough glue that it holds. Okay. Okay, so you can see I'm taking my whole hand and I'm holding that so that rope does not move, because that glue is not completely set up yet. And I'm just pushing it to make sure that that rope is hitting the rope above it. Okay, so I'm almost to the end. So right there, I go to where it's flush and then give it a little bit more, and that's where I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to take my tape. I usually don't use that big a piece, but okay, and then I'm going to cut right in between that tape. Don't use your good scissors for this, y'all. Then that way I have my next tip ready to go ahead and start my next one. Okay, so just finish it off. And then I do take my wand. I have a wand that has a hot wire, and I will clean this completely flush. Glue this to the bottom of my center, just like this one. It's completely glued. And then I will take, I'm just going to use white because that's what I have right here, and use my glue tip again, stick that in there, and then open it up, take your U-pen, put it over, so you've got the glue holding it and you've got the U-pen holding it, and you don't ever have to worry about it coming off.